Here's a broad brush look at snowfall totals across North Texas. In general, about a ½ to 1.5 inches of snowfall here in the I-35 corridor, the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and points east into Hunt County, Kaufman County, down into northern Navarro County. A good bit of this was certainly enhanced by lake effect, and then outside of that, we generally had a ½ inch or less. Same story really down to our east and southeast, a wintry mix with mainly a ½ inch or less accumulation. Here are some specific totals. In Forney, 2.5 inches of snow. Coppell, a good 2 inches of snowfall. DFW officially with 1.5. McKinney, West McKinney, to be specific, 1.4 inches. And in Bedford, Steve Clark there with 3/4 inch of snowfall. Really interesting photo here because it kind of shows you some of the dynamics at work here to produce the lake effect snow. We typically think about that with Buffalo and Cleveland, Erie, Pennsylvania, the lake effect snow belt areas, but occasionally we can get it here in North Texas. That is steam coming off those warmer lake waters. Lake Whitney, Pam Gober sent that photo. The lake waters were running right around 50 degrees or in the low 50s, and then you're running 10-degree Arctic air over top of it, so a difference in temperature of 40 degrees. And the larger the temperature difference between the lake water and the air itself, the more likely you are to generate quite a bit of instability and eventually some snow showers. So here's how the mechanics work. You've got that strong northerly flow that we had last night into early this morning, cold Arctic air running over the lake water, and then what happens is that heat and moisture from the water is transferred into the air itself, and that warm, moist air readily rises into the Arctic air above it, creates instability. It cools, condenses, you get clouds to form, and those clouds then produce precipitation in this form. Moderate to, in some cases, heavy bursts of snow in narrow bands. They develop downwind of the lake, and then they are pushed south by these northerly winds. And that's why we, at least on radar, we're able to show you those long streams of snow coming down from the lakes, like Texoma and Ray Roberts, Louisville, Grapevine, just to name a few. 26 the high today. That's 30 degrees below the average for this time of the year. That 11 this morning was good enough to tie a very old record set back in 1905. Currently, we've got temperatures in the upper teens, 19 DFW and at Love Field. Check the winds, though, north 15 to 23 miles an hour. You factor that in, and it feels about 0 in many locations right now. There's your air temperatures in the teens in many locations. 20 Hillsboro, 16 Greenville. It's 15 right now at Bowie. And then the wind chills. It feels like 0 right now at Fort Worth and McKinney, -1 Gainesville, and 1 above 0 right now down to our southwest in Stephenville. And those wind chills, if anything, will get even a few degrees lower overnight, -2 during the overnight hours here. Wind chill advisories remain in effect right through tomorrow. Here's temperature cast. Again, the record low tomorrow is 11. I think we've got a pretty decent shot of at least tying it, if not breaking it, probably down to around 10 or 11 here in the Metroplex, with single digits to our north and west. And then despite a lot of sunshine tomorrow, in this deep Arctic air mass, we're likely going to stay well below freezing again, with highs topping out in the mid to upper 20s. We fell below freezing Saturday evening, early Saturday evening, and it looks like we're going to spend 88 consecutive hours. It'll likely take until 10 a.m. Wednesday morning when we finally crack the freezing mark. Obviously, the all-time record is in no jeopardy at all. Back in 1983, we spent nearly 300 consecutive hours below freezing. That is just astounding. So we're going to see some clouds coming our way with this reinforcing push of Arctic air, a disturbance. Not as much moisture tonight as there was last night. It's not out of the question we could squeeze out a couple of lake effect snow flurries, but we are not going to see anything remotely close to what we witnessed last night. And you saw some of the temperatures there. That Arctic air has made its way all the way down into deep South Texas. 11 degrees right now, or 11 I should say, early tomorrow morning with a partly to mostly cloudy sky. Those clouds clear out very quickly. We're up to around 20 at lunchtime, and look for a high temperature tomorrow afternoon climbing to 28. Another very cold morning Wednesday, and then with southerly winds and sunshine, will boost temperatures to 45 in the afternoon, 53 Thursday, but another front comes our way Thursday afternoon. That air behind it will be very chilly, but not as cold as what we're experiencing now. 37 Friday, 39 on Saturday, and then our next weather maker is going to bring rain and not wintry precipitation Sunday night and Monday of next week. Monday's high, 53.